What's up, YouTube family? How you doing? Once again, you're back in the kitchen with Paul. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my favorite vegetable. My favorite vegetable is broccoli. And there's certain ways that people do broccoli. Sometimes it gets too mushy. Sometimes people just like to eat it raw. But I like to have a crunch to my broccoli, kind of like the way it comes from the Chinese food restaurant. So what we're going to do today is we're going to make some broccoli, and we're going to make it fresh, and it's going to have a nice garlic butter sauce over it. So this is what we're going to do today. You're in the kitchen with Paul. Stay tuned. Okay, here we have our florets of broccoli. I've just finished washing them, and what I have here is I have a pan that is boiling some water. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the florets off of the broccoli stems, because we love the florets, right? We love to eat the florets. They're nice and crunchy, and that holds all that sauce in that floury crown right there. Done. So I'm gonna make these stems a little bit smaller. But you don't want to eat all stem, you want broccoli florets. And as I'm making them smaller, I'm going to start tossing them into the water. Okay, the ones that we have that are the right length, you stick them in the water. This one's kind of long, cut it down. Kind of long, cut it down. Kind of long, cut it down. All we want in there is the floret. Ain't got no time to be chewing on those stems today. Just as a sidebar, this is the stem. Now the stem, some people say, if you cut the outer part of this stem off, like so, all right, and once you have that outer stem cut off, and you just cook this part, they say this is the most tender, most delicious part of the broccoli. Okay, YouTube, we're back. We're going to check on our broccoli now. Our broccoli, if you can see, has a nice, vibrant green color to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it off of this fire and shut this fire off. Just take a good look at this broccoli. See how nice and green and vibrant that is? It's a beautiful green color. Okay? Now we're going to take this broccoli and we're going to put it in an ice bath. It shocks the broccoli. It immediately stops it from continuing to cook. Anytime you take food off of a fire, it continues to cook for a few minutes. That's why when you have a steak, you want to let that steak rest. Even if it's medium, you leave it alone, it's going to become medium well because it continues to cook. If it's rare and you leave it alone, it's going to continue to cook and it's going to be medium. So once you get all your broccoli out of your pan, you put it into your ice bath. You allow all that broccoli to stop cooking. You want it to keep that nice, beautiful green look to it. And then all you have to do is get your sauce together. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do our sauce. Okay, YouTube, we're back. And we're going to go on and make our garlic butter sauce. Now for this sauce, what we're going to use is we're going to use 1 whole stick of butter. That's right, the whole stick. Now I'm cutting it into pieces so that it will melt quicker. But we're going to take that whole stick of butter and put it into the pan. People are saying, well, that might not be as healthy. But you know what? If you want flavor, you have to use real ingredients. Okay? Now, I'm not a proponent of using exact measurements. I like to freehand a lot. But what I found is I've really been struggling to get this right, to get this flavor of the sauce the right way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use equal parts tablespoon of onion powder and a tablespoon of granulated garlic. Now when you're doing this, you can't have this on a high heat. You have to turn your heat down. First of all, because you don't want to burn your butter. But second of all, because you don't want to burn up your onion and your garlic powder. You want it to just dissolve in that butter to make a nice sauce. Okay? Now you notice I didn't put any salt into this garlic sauce because there is already salt inside of the butter. But what I will do is I will add some pepper to this. And not only pepper, we want to make it look pretty. And there's no better way to make it look pretty than to put some parsley flakes in there. Now the parsley flakes, I am not going to use an exact measurement. This I will freehand. There you go. There's your parsley flakes. That is perfect. We're going to take our broccoli and put our broccoli back in the pan. We want to cover that broccoli with the sauce. And that's it. This broccoli is done. Turn the heat off. And that's how I make my broccoli. And this broccoli is delicious. Okay, YouTube. I am not going to mess up a plate. I'm getting a piece of this broccoli, a floret of this broccoli, out of the pan to give it a try. As you can see, nice and vibrant green. It has that garlic and butter sauce on it. Nice and crunchy. Fantastic flavor. This is definitely the favorite way I like to have my broccoli. Now, if you like this recipe and you want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe, just crunching on this broccoli. This is fantastic. When you subscribe, hit that little bell, and each time I make a new video, you will get a notification to let you know that there's something else that Paul's been in the kitchen making. So, once again, always keep God first in your life. Love your family. And of course, love yourself. I'm Paul. Peace, y'all.